Annoyed with your Rockstar Social Club account being tethered to the wrong Steam account? Let's sever that connection. First things first, completely close the Steam client. Make sure it's not running in the background either. Check your system tray. You can use Task Manager to force close it. Right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, find Steam, and end the task. Now, open your web browser and head over to the Rockstar Social Club website. You'll need to log into the Social Club account you want to unlink. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Linked Accounts section. Here, you should see a list of all the accounts linked to your Social Club account. Find Steam, and you'll see an Unlink button. Click it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to unlink. Confirm your decision. This is irreversible, so double-check you're unlinking from the correct Steam account. You should see a confirmation message saying your Steam account has been successfully unlinked. And that's it. Your Rockstar Social Club and Steam are now separate.